Mag-aasawa ka ba soon?
Ay, hindi po,
No.
hindi po. Marami pa pong ano, ngayon na na-realize ko na marami pang dapat mangyari sa career ko.
Oo.
Parang gusto ko muna siya i-maximize.
Oo. You're 27 years old.
Yeah.
When do you want to get married?
Actually, before, I wanted to get married mga 30, 29, ganon. But like right now, like with showbiz, kung ano yung tinatakbo ng career ko, parang siguro mga 34. I wanna save up muna for my future family. I think there's a mutual respect na we're workmates and we respect each other's, you know, like private lives and our work life. Kunwari may problema ako, tinutulungan niya ako, Tito Boy. Eh, since mahiyain nga ako, siya yung parang, kaya man, ganun. So,
She's a type.
yeah, she's a type talaga.
Galing.
She helps me a lot. Kaya super grateful for Barbie talaga.
Napaka-supportive din ni Barbie sa'yo. Napaka-supportive talaga.
Yeah, she understands me a lot.
She does.
Yeah.
Oo. And siya rin. Oo.
Of course, I understand her.
Okay. Complete this. The best kind of love is...
The best kind of love is understanding and unconditional.
Wow. Single, taken.
Taken.
In my last conversation with David, sabi ko, alam mo David, napaka-blessed niyo ni Barbie because wala kayong itinatago sa inyong mga fans. Describe to me that friendship from your point of view.
The friendship that I've built, I always say I've built. Kasi
Right.
nga, hindi naman siya, hindi siya right away na-click kami agad eh. At first, hindi ako okay with him.
Talaga?
Yeah, kasi lagi siyang late, Tito Boy.
Oo nga, naalala ko. Tama. Pero pati yan, nagamot mo, sabi nga niya. Oo.
From time to time. Masasabi kong slowly but surely, yung gano'n, yung talagang dinahan-dahan namin na, kasi nga naman, very surprising and very unexpected yung love team namin na maging thankfully successful.
Right.
So biglang agad-agad, everyday na kaming magkasama, everyday na kaming magkatrabaho, everyday nakakakilig na yung mga eksena namin, mga ginagawa namin. So for two people na hindi naman close,
Romantic. Oo, right.
hindi nag-uusap, 'di ba? Biglang ganon, mahirap po 'yun. Tapos magkaiba pa kayo ng work ethics, may magkaiba kayo ng routine sa trabaho. So mahirap siya talaga kasi magkaiba po kami ni David.
You know,
Kidding aside, feeling ko timing has nothing to do with the success of our love team kasi nga unexpected po siya. Siguro luck. There you go.
Okay.
Mas luck po na we were
that's why it's a blessing.
it is, yeah.
Ako ay equate kasi luck with blessing.
Yes.
Kaya huwag mong pabayaan. Huwag mong
Sana,
sayangin.
yes. Ang swerte lang talaga naming dalawa to have been part of a very important series na napalaki ng impact. Tapos doon nag-pick up yung love team namin.
That's magic.
Yeah.
But congratulations really on the tandem. Congratulations on the friendships. Kaya naniniwala ako na blessing dahil hindi ito lagi nangyayari.
Ay, opo. Hindi
Hindi.
talaga. Kasi yung iba nga po talagang ilang beses pang workshops para makabuo
Right.
ng chemistry, hindi po ba?
The chemistry workshops, yes.
You'll meet 3 kinds of love in your life. Parang the first one, parang you'll feel all the butterflies in your stomach, ganyan yung first love. And then yung second love will teach you all the lessons you need to learn in love. And then the third one is the love na magpaparamdam sa'yo how love should feel like. Love advice ko for David. In any aspect of your life in general, whether it be business or a
Personal.
relationship or showbiz, I hope you won't lose yourself in it. Yung like, hindi ka maratel to juggle all those things. Kasi malalaki lahat yun eh. Malalaking bagay yun lahat sa buhay niya. So, yun lang. Just kailangan alam mo yung priorities mo, set your priorities straight, and then maybe you can also discipline the relationship. Since you're the man in the relationship, you can discipline it. And even your partner, siguro, mas matuturuan mo siya ng maayos, 'di ba? Para mas mag-work yung relationship niyo. Na he lets his woman shine, kahit not with him.
Ganda nun. Kumbaga sa korte, I have no further questions.
Wala na po. Case closed na po ito.
Case closed.
Opo.
Pero napapag-usapan na ang kasal.
Opo.
Mabilis umiyak, mabilis kiligin.
Mabilis kiligin.
David na tulog, David na gising.
What's the difference? David nagising.
Nabigla ako doon. Favorite teleserye na ginawa?
Na ginawa, Maria Clara, diba?
Favorite character na nagampanan?
Billy Benjola. Character naman na talagang minahal ko at in-embrace ko mula simula hanggang dulo, hanggang ngayon dala ko, and feeling ko, pinaka hindi ko malilimutan, si Cly talaga. Si Cly para sa akin, hindi ko siya nilayo kay Barbie din eh, sa totoong ugali ko. So, yung iyak ko sa pilot episode, kasi nung pilot episode, yung very first episode, pinakita lahat yung struggles ni Cly sa real world, di ba? Parang na-incorporate ko rin yung personal life ko, kaya I feel like very close to my heart din talaga yung character.
Willing makatrabaho ang ex?
Hindi.
Ideal age to get married?
28.
Ideal age to get married?
35, 36?
Ideal...
From a trip, random na bagay. Feelings. Feelings.
Close your eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What does getting deep now? What does getting deep now? Follow me around. Yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down.
Mas mature na in terms of emotions. So, mas grabe yung hug talagang. Ganun, pre? Paano, pare? Ganun, ito.
Paano? Paano?
Kasi yung hug talaga, Tito Boy, ganun. Tsaka,
Dati may hiyaan, may ilangan.
Hug namin, ganito lang.
Paano?
Ganyan lang.
Ngayon,
Ngayon talagang...
Fame lang.
There's so much more that I feel. I won't stop until I uncover. Ooh, I believe in what I feel. I won't stop until I discover all that's beyond. I'll align higher. I'm the one beating my heart's pattern, following the signs. They say I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer. I'm picking up books to get inside the heads of the ones who happen to life instead of it happening to them.
Ako, oo, naniniwala ako sa destiny. Not just in love, but in life as well. Parang kung ano talaga yung nakatadhana para sa'yo, yun yung mangyayari.
Parang subjective siya eh. So, for example, sa business, for example, I think cause and effect. Sabihin natin kung sipagan mo, edi makuha mo yung fruits of your labor. So,
Sa love, naniniwala ka ba sa destiny? Ganun.
yeah, I think so. Oo. Kasi syempre yung personality na yun eh. Di ba?
Meeting the right person at the right place and time.
Yeah, especially in time. Yes. Taken by myself.
Yun yung...
Yeah.
Totoo yan, guys.
I think for me, it's the best time to really work on myself. Again, mentally, spiritually, emotionally, physically.
Ideal age to get married.
28.
Ideal age to get married.
35, 36?
Ideal.
Inaanak ko malaki na. Ay, ang laki na. Last time, ang laki na. Laki na lang. Laki na lang? Laki na lang. Laki na. Gusto ko na ng baby eh. Ready ka na ba? Ready na. Asa ka na? Sige, sige.
You like it? You like Tita? Like Tita acting? Why? It's good? Is Tita good? Mm-hmm.
Imposible na po akong makauwi pa ngayon.
Bakit naman